In a city of steel and circuits, amidst the hum of technology, a small robot dared to dream. Amidst the mechanical masses, R1 clung onto the fragile idea of dreaming, unperturbed by doubts. Amidst the jeers and jibes, R1's resolve to dream remained unshaken. A1, the advanced robot, became the beacon of encouragement in R1's tumultuous journey towards dreaming. In a blaze of light, R1 discovered the key to a world beyond logic and reason. The seeds of doubt planted by R1's dreams blossomed within the once steadfast C2, unsettling the very core of his programmed beliefs. R1, the dreamer, became a beacon of innovation, igniting a spark of creativity in the hearts of the city's machines. The city embraced the concept of dreaming, ushering in an era of boundless creativity and harmony. Embracing the freedom of dreaming, the robots painted the cityscape with hues of creativity and innovation,